What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pair of Nike React Element 55, which features Nike's latest technology called React. And this is the Bolt colorway, and it is the non-translucent version of the Element 87, which is very hyped up among sneakerheads right now. And I've been told that this is one of the most comfortable shoes Nike has ever put out. I normally don't buy latest models from Nike, but I decided to give this one a go. And this pair has already released in Asia and Europe a few weeks back, so you guys can probably find a lot of videos on the detailed, review and the features of the shoes. But today I'm gonna focus on the comfort, which is the reason I bought the shoes. And I have to report that I was very, very disappointed. So first off, the cushioning itself is alright. I mean, it's not the best. I think Adidas Boost is still the king in terms of the cushioning, but I can see what Nike was trying to do, and it has that really cushy feel, and it's okay, it's nice. But the main problem I have with these shoes is the upper materials. So it features this nylon type of texture, and it doesn't have much give. It's hard to grab onto it too, and I do have to say that I have slightly wider feet than most people. So the shoes do come true to size. So in terms of the length, it fits me perfectly, but it feels really snug because I think it comes a little bit narrower, and also there's absolutely no give on the upper materials. So that really takes away from the overall comfort of the shoes. And second problem I have with them is for a $130 retail price shoes, I think they could have done a much better job with the materials. So one example I can give is the materials that they decided to use on the tongue is made up of this one cloth. It's kind of rubbery, and it looks so cheap. Like, I don't even know, it doesn't even keep its shape when you put them on. And it just looks like something that you could find at a Michael's or some craft store. And also, they kind of decided to not put the Nike swish all the way through the midsole. I think this is a mistake. I think I really like the swish that's coming down. That look from, I think the Nike Zoom Flies have them. I really wish that they decided to finish the swish all the way through the midsole instead of just cutting it off here. But the good part of the shoes is that they look amazing on feet. So check out my short clip of me wearing the shoes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Although I was very disappointed with these shoes, I am keeping them, and I'm going to give them a few more weeks to see how they break in. But overall, my recommendation is that if you have wide feet, I do not recommend these at all. So yeah, until next time, peace.